Republic Day speech in English. Good morning to everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India. This is a day of pride and honor for every Indian. On this day in 1950, our constitution came into effect and India became a sovereign, secular, socialist and democratic republic. Republic Day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our great leaders and freedom fighters. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the architect of our constitution, worked tirelessly to ensure that we have rights such as freedom, equality, and justice. As we celebrate this day, let us remember that our responsibility does not end with enjoying the rights provided by the Constitution. It is equally important to fulfill our duties towards the nation. We, as the future of this country, must work hard to make India stronger, more prosperous and united. Let us take a pledge today to respect our constitution, uphold the values of democracy and contribute to the progress of our nation. With this, I conclude my speech by saying, let's celebrate the spirit of freedom. Let's uphold the dignity of our constitution. Let's work together for a better tomorrow. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.